Who is your attorney?
It's hard to pronounce her last name.
Okay, what's her first name?
Sorry.
Can you point to your attorney? Who's your attorney?
Your Honor, what was the consequence again?
Oh, you're going to prison for 8 years.
I'm going to prison for 8 years.
Yes. All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am.
No, who is actually trying to prove that you violated the conditions of your probation? All right. So do you want to continue with this plea? Or do you want a jury trial?
What's the agreement that we have? You remember what that agreement?
Do you want to
is?
talk to her some more, counsel?
Sure, Judge.
All right.
Donkey Lady Bridge. Now it states in here that they had met you through a lease. OP1 said they were at the complainant's house when the group of males showed up in Unit 1. Unit 1 is the vehicle. She said they decided to go to the Donkey, DONKY Lady Bridge, but instead ended up driving around. Where is this Donkey Lady Bridge?
I'm not sure, Your Honor. I've never been there in my life.
Are you still driving a vehicle?
No.
How old are you?
21.
If you drug tested today, what are the results going to be? Before you answer no, that you are going to be drug tested today. Don't say just tell me what you're going to be positive for.
Probably, maybe a little bit of marijuana.
And what else?
That's it. I don't do anything else.
What do you do with the rest of your day other than marijuana?
I work.
Where?
I would work at Bohannon's.
All right, what do you do at Bohannon's?
I'm a dishwasher and love trash stuff.
So you have a car accident and your go-to is to leave. Why would you leave a car accident?
Just everybody had left and I just left myself.
Well, no, everybody didn't leave because there were two
Yes,
people
there's-
remaining in the car trapped and somebody had to help them out. So why would you leave injured people behind in the vehicle?
I was one of those people injured in the car. And then I got out. They held me out and then I walked home.
Okay, this is not where he's gonna pretend he wasn't driving, is it?
We're pleading no contest, Your Honor.
Okay. So again, why would you leave someone behind in a vehicle that's injured?
You got out. Did you go to they were sitting on the curb and speak with you?
No.
Okay.
No. Did you call for help for anyone? Why not?
Just being ignorant.
You see, let me just tell you what I know about life from my time on the planet. And I think I can say this because I have more of my life behind me than in front of me,
Yes.
is that big things somehow ends up snowballing for young people into bigger things. Number one, there shouldn't have been any speeding. Number two, nobody should have taken any drinks and driven. And number three, if there's an accident, you call somebody. If you would have stayed and helped, if you would have called somebody, guess what? We wouldn't be here for a failure to stop and render aid. So how are you getting around town without driving?
I take the bus, I'll walk if I have to. I have a daughter that I have to support, so. I
How
gotta
old is your daughter?
She just turned 1, March 13th.
Are you and the mother together or no?
Sort of. We talk. We're not married, so we don't live together.
Does anyone know the amount of what the restitution will be? Any idea?
I don't, Judge. I know our advocate is working on that. I don't know how much, if any, restitution is going to be outstanding.
All right. If there's an issue about restitution, just let the court know when we have a restitution hearing.
Thank you, Judge.
How far did you go in school?
I stopped at 11th grade.
Why?
Just struggling with my family.
What does that mean?
like, I have to take care of my little brothers sometimes, most of the time, because my mom is just not healthy. So I'm really like their dad, and I'm always there to help them out and stuff like that. So
What do you mean she's not helping? Where is she?
she lives with her mom. Yeah, she lives with my grandmother.
And so how old is your little brother?
My little brother, he's 13.
So where is your little brother living?
He lives with me with my uncle.
So was child protective services involved?
Yeah, they're talking to my mother right now. So there's a case, I think, that's open with my mother.
So what are you planning on doing for the rest of your life? Are you gonna be working at Bohannon's or are you doing something else?
So no, I was gonna work at Bohannon's for a little bit until I get my own apartment, and then get my GED and eventually try to join into the military with my friend.
Well, I always tell people you can't keep saying you're gonna, because you're gonna wake up and 5 years of your life will have passed you by. You understand? All right, this is what the court is gonna do. $1,000 fine, that'll be probated, 10 years deferred adjudication, concurrent with 624435, taking consideration 2021 CR 2438, 2020 CR 1887A. There's to be restitution to Elise Perez, restitution to Kimberly Soto in cause number 2021 CR 2438. No contact with Elise Perez, Kimberly Soto, Antonio Perez, and Lapita Perez. 200 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. That includes the booster. The court is not requiring you to do the booster or the COVID vaccination, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be deducted. Parenting classes, you must complete parenting classes, but if you complete the parenting classes, the court will waive the remainder of your community service hours. Cats 1 and 2, was there some sort of theft involved? Is there a reason for cats 1 and 2?
The case that was TIC was a burglary of a habitation, Judge.
All right, so here's the thing about burglary of habitations, right? I haven't been presented with any evidence, so I don't know what it says, but what I do know is that entering people's homes without their permission, it's going to end up resulting in one of two things for you. One, it's going to end up being a prison trip, and burglary of habitations, range of punishment is 2 to 20 years. Or either you're going to break into somebody's home and you're going to be shocked to find that they are at their home, and you may end up being shot or killed. And you know what people are going to say? It was justified. You're in somebody's home, you're not supposed to be. So I'm going to put down cats 1 and 2, but I can give you cats 1 and 2 course in 2 minutes. Don't take what does not belong to you, which people should have learned in preschool. And when you go to someone's home, only go if you're invited, and then when they ask you to leave, leave. Life is so simple, people make it so much difficult than it has to be. So cats 1 and 2. And the MRT, which is supposed to teach you right from wrong, which again, we should learn that in preschool, right? If everybody would treat others the way they would like to be treated, you will need the MRT course. So remember that as you're taking that course. I'm going to want him tested for levels, and those levels need to start going down. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
There should be regular Zoom recording. There should be no driving. And once he's on probation for a while, I may reconsider that. But for now, there should be no driving. Rebecca, is there anything else that he needs? Is there anything else that you need from the court? Right. Any other type of drug issues that the court needs to know about?
No, Your Honor.
Because if there's something you need help with, now's the time to ask for it, and I will be more than happy to give it to you.
No, Your Honor.
Elise, if you could show your video, please. There she is. All right, Ms. Pettis, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, so, Mr. Madrone can hear you. Mr. Madrone, Ms. Pettis has some words to say to you. I require that everyone treat everyone with respect, so just listen and internalize what I'm saying. You may proceed.
After everything, I don't think that you should be in prison or, but I did suffer injuries that are like for a lifetime. And I just want you to understand that because I did go through all of that, you do deserve to go through some kind of consequence. Did I cut off?
Yes, you did.
They keep calling me that, so I'm sorry. But yeah, that's all I have to say. But I do forgive you. Like, it happened. It's been a long time already, but I just didn't, I hope you just know where I'm coming from, James.
All right, thank you so much. Do you all need to speak with her?
I don't believe so. We have contact. We can talk to Ms. Pettis after this. Thank you, Ms. Pettis.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, probation will go over conditions with you. And so if you'll just wait in the back of the room, probation will meet with you and go over your conditions.
Maybe excuse Your Honor.
Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Court is calling 2021 CR 2437 State of Texas versus James Madrone. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor?
Defense?
Gary Chirac for the defense.
All right, and are you James Madrone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same James Madrone who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 2437 for the offense of failure to stop and render aid serious bodily injury on March 21st, 2022 for a period of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
State.
Violated condition number 4. In Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, James Madrone, did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of January and December 2023 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, Your Honor.
State.
Your Honor, we waived the other violations alleged in the motion.
No objection.
All right. Mr. Madrone, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, I understand.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
It's not, Your Honor. We're going open. We are asking for the 10 years, Your Honor. I believe the defense might be heard on that.
All right. Defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we're requesting that he be placed on probation, that he be given weekly UAs and intense supervision. Basically, Judge, this was a lot dealing with financial issues. He has 2 small children that he was responsible for, living with his grandmother at the time. He's now presently employed. I believe he has the resources now to continue taking drug testing and support his children. So I think basically, Judge, if we give him weekly UAs and ISF and put him back, not ISF, with intense supervision, that he's able to complete the probation successfully. You have anything to add, James?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
James Madrone.
All right, it says here that you didn't talk to the manager and you left when asked to stay in the lobby by the probation officer.
Your Honor, I was my grandmother, thankful for her that she helped me with my burdens when I had to do these reports and everything, and she would have my kids in the car while I'll be reporting. So at that time, I really didn't have too much time to be there due to my being responsible for 2 children. So that was just that, at that time, that was it.
Okay, that doesn't make sense to me. Your grandmother is helping you with your children.
Yes,
And how old are your children?
3 and 1.
All right, so she's helping you with the 3 and 1-year-old. So you're telling me your grandmother drives you to see your probation officer
Yes,
and then says, I can't wait.
yes, Your Honor.
That doesn't make any sense to me.
It's just like I have real no support, really none. It's just me out there.
All right, so your grandmother is not supporting you.
Well, in a way she is, in a way.
All right, and then it says that they tried to have virtual meetings with you and you kept rescheduling and they allowed you to reschedule it and reschedule it and reschedule it.
Again, I had financial burdens.
So you didn't have a cell phone.
No.
You couldn't get a ride via bus.
Your Honor, my grandma lived in Leon Valley and then she moved over there by Lackland Air Force Base. And I did not have reliable transportation.
Oh, no, I know for a fact that there's transportation by via for Lackland.
Oh.
And you know how I know there is that? Because one time I made a mistake and got on the looper, which I believe is the 510, and it takes you all around the city. And I was like, wow, this is where the bases are.
Yes, but where I had to report was over there by 1604 in Bandera, which.
Via.
Yes, Your Honor. They canceled that bus route. I know it sounds like if I'm making it up or not, but yes, they did cancel that bus route for that reason. That drive was very, very extreme.
Did you pick up the phone, call probation and say, hey, this
Yes,
is
Your
where
Honor.
I am? Okay.
Yes, Your
All right. Any other questions?
Mr. Madrone, my name is Hank Wilkins. If I ask anything you don't understand, just let me know and I'll try and rephrase it, okay? Do you know the last time you reported?
The last time I reported was
This year?
yes,
It was this year? So would you respond to one of the probation things the last time you reported is November? Did you ever do the CATS theft course?
no,
You didn't do that. Did you do the CATS 2 theft course?
no,
Did you do the moral recognition therapy?
no.
Did you do anything on probation?
I had parenting classes that were available online, which I did do, and it waived over my community service.
I'm sorry to interrupt. How can you do the parenting classes online,
They
but
were
you
for
can't
free.
report? No, but you can't report to probation online. Explain that to me.
I did report to probation online every time I had a Zoom meeting. And when it was in person, it was hard for me to be able to report due to my lack of transportation.
Do you remember telling probation in January of this year, they're not gonna do anything?
No,
Do you remember telling them, I know the judge will reinstate me?
no,
You understand that when you pled to this offense, that's a 3rd-degree felony, right? You're looking at up to 10 years in prison.
yeah, I do understand. Yes, I understand.
And you knew that, and you still didn't do these conditions of probation, right? You didn't do the
No.
moral recognition therapy?
Not that I had faced financial burdens. So I did not have support from the mother of my children. She was attending school at the time. But now I have a reliable job. I have the means to prove to the court that I could be responsible in finishing my term.
Seems like the easiest thing to do would be to report, though. You didn't report it all this year, right?
No, because she said that she was gonna file a motion to revoke. And I had said that, okay, that we have to do what we have to do. That's simple. That's what I had said in that response.
I'll pass the way, Mr. Chairman.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. Probation. Was there any restitution for Elise Perez and Kimberly Soto? All right. So this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find violation of condition number 4 true. The court is going to find you guilty. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. With regards to punishment, state, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking for the 10 years in prison. This is a third-degree felony. This is a SBI, Your Honor. Some other cases were taken into consideration in consideration of this plea. The defendant had opportunities between the division. He didn't do much of anything on probation. I was trying to get some more information today. None of the answers are very satisfying. So we're asking for 10 years in prison. Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, I asked that he be sent, continued on probation and sent to ISF for a period of time to get his thoughts together. Be able to get out on the street and be a productive member of society and also a father for his 2 children.
All right. Oh, yes, you wanted to add
Your Honor,
something?
May I address the question?
Sure.
Yes, I would like to say that I would like to suggest no tolerant probation where I may be supervising weekly UAs. I do not use drugs.
Mhm.
And or an outpatient program, intense outpatient programs that I can prove to the court where I can be responsible in completing my probation successfully.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 4 true. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you up to will sentence you to 8 years in the prison. There's to be no unsupervised contact with the minors. Court will give you credit for any time served, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it, and did you sign it?
Yes.
All right. You do have a limited right to appeal, and that right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Do you understand? All right. Good luck to you. We can go off the record. Here's the thing. I can't force them to place you in the therapeutic community. You'll have to request that. And then it's completely up to them whether or not they place you in the therapeutic community.
Your Honor, what was the consequence again?
Oh, you're going to prison for 8 years.
I'm going to prison for 8 years,
Yes,
and that's the done deal.
yes.
Okay.
All right, good luck to you, okay? All right, we're back here on Moses Albert Martinez.
Judge, I just asked that the court follow the agreement. This argument does, I think, want to do probation, so I think it's a great opportunity for her to maybe get some things together. And that's it.
All right, do you have any children?
I do have 2 baby girls, a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old,
Where are they?
with their father.
Why are they not with you?
Because 2 years ago, I had a fallout with drugs. So we decided to go ahead and take baby girls. I wasn't in my right mind. I was actually like going through like mental health problems, delusions as well. But everything is well now, like, with me and my daughters and with the father.
All right, when's the last time you had employment?
About like 2 months ago,
Doing what?
I was cabinetry, a nation's cabinetry.
How far did you go in school?
Up to 10th grade.
Why didn't you graduate?
I had moved to where is it, Detroit, Michigan.
And what are you planning on doing with the rest of your life?
I'm not sure. I really do want to get my GED though.
Okay. And what drugs have you been using in the past?
In the past, I did meth for 2 weeks. I had got involved with it for the whole 2 weeks for the fact that I was on, and when I tried it for the first time, I didn't know how to like stop from it because I was awake. I was awake and I was up for all those days, and I stayed up for 2 weeks straight. And I was scared to get back on. Like I honestly, I was scared. I was losing my mother and everything just by thinking she was talking to me and things like that. And
Okay, and what's the tattoo on your cheek? The one with the jewel tone?
right here,
Yes, what is that tattoo?
oh, it's right now. I was very drunk when I got it. I tried to take it off.
What does it
and
say?
It's not so drunk.
Oh, so murder spelled backwards.
Yes, but I'm not. I can't even kill a roach without wanting to throw up.
Okay, so and what is up with this gun that's tattooed on your neck?
Yeah, that was okay. I was drunk. I got this, and one, oh, this one right here. Like you can't even tell what it is.
Okay, so
I
that
was-
was done while you were
I
intoxicated?
was, yes, this happened about 6 years ago.
Okay. And where is your family?
My family, my mom, she's doing her thing. She works. She's going through a divorce actually right now. My kid's father, he works. He's going to college. He goes to college. Baby girl, she's in school. My oldest, and they're doing fine. They're good.
All right. So here's the thing. They want you to take cats 1 and 2. I'm going to give you conditions that hopefully will help you. So I'm going to give you cats 1 and 2 right now. I'm going to make you take the moral recognition therapy, but here's cats 1 and 2. Don't steal. Don't take what doesn't belong to you. And as a side to the class that I give people, the other thing is don't go to a place unless that person who owns the place or has control of the place invites you. Don't go if a third person invites you. And if you do show up at someplace and someone who invited you asks you to leave, leave. If you follow those rules, you will do just fine. And here's another rule as a side note. In my experience, I've discovered that nothing good happens after midnight. You have children, you need to make sure you're home before midnight. If you're home before midnight, usually nothing bad will happen. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The moral recognition therapy, my understanding, that's to tell you to do what's right. It's something that people should have learned in preschool, kindergarten, or at least first grade. So when they give you that moral recognition therapy, I'm sure it's going to talk to you about not taking things that don't belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so this is what we're going to do. It's going to be 3 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Take in consideration County Court Cause number 687991, 696305, grand jury number 777818, restitution and no contact with Ralph Sanchez. I'm going to do the UA hotline, and she needs to test at least once a week. I'm going to want sober meetings, 90 meetings in 90 days. We're going to do a TAP evaluation. Whatever the TAP evaluation recommends, we're going to start with intensive outpatient treatment. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from me in order to be successful?
Everything, the addresses and everything's on there, right?
I'm sorry, what?
All the addresses to attend.
Oh, they're gonna give it to you. Probation will let you know, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And this court communication is key to be successful on probation. I require that people report. Don't turn up missing. You understand?
I understand.
All right, I'm showing you what, all right, we can go off the record. Good luck to you. I mean, I have nothing against tattoos, but if you're gonna get a tattoo, make sure it's not while you're intoxicated.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
good luck.
Court is calling 2022 CR 11474W, State of Texas versus Destiny Argumedo. Could I have the parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Defense?
Cheryl Patterson with the defense.
All right. And are you Destiny Argumedo?
And no, ma'am.
Well, Amanda
Yes, ma'am.
Destiny Argumedo. All right, I'm showing you what's entitled motion to revoke. I'm sorry.
Judge, really quickly, sorry to interrupt. Defense and I had spoken, I think defense had filed a motion for competency eval.
Mhm.
That's what we wanted to approach on.
Ah. So where are we on the competency?
I filed the motion. I don't know that anything has happened.
All right, when was the motion filed?
I believe it was early part of last week.
Oh, there,
Right.
okay, thank you. All right, so it's been referred to magistrate's court. So, Ms. Ferguson, I need a reset on this. Can you let the magistrate know that she doesn't need an informal inquiry, that she just needs an evaluation?
Your Honor, we'd actually, in speaking with the prosecutor and with my client, we'd actually like to withdraw that motion. We feel that she just did not understand the questions and was very nervous that day.
Okay. All right, we're on the record then. Are you Amanda or Destiny Argamata?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand for me? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. Do you know who your attorney is?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is your attorney?
It's hard to pronounce her last name.
Okay, what's her first name?
Sorry.
Can you point to your attorney? Who's your attorney? All right. Have you had a chance to discuss her and discuss your case?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you on probation for?
Unauthorized use of vehicle.
All right. And who is the prosecutor in this case?
I am.
No, who is actually trying to prove that you violated the conditions of your probation?
Excuse me, I don't understand.
All right. How far did you go in school?
Ninth grade.
Okay. All right. You're on probation. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You understand, you told me you're on probation for an unauthorized use of a vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your range of punishment?
It was 2 years of probation and parenting classes.
All right, if I were to send you to prison or to the state jail facility, how much time could I give you?
It was 2 years.
Okay, so with regards to this motion to revoke,
Yes, ma'am.
who has to prove to the court that you didn't do what you were supposed to do on a motion to revoke?
Myself.
I'm sorry?
Myself.
Okay, I think she may need an evaluation.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, so this is going to be set for a evaluation. Ms. Ferguson, what date can we bring this back? We can do June. I can do June 15th. All right, so we're going to recall it back for June 15th.
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
Ms. Ferguson, if you will again, just let them know that there's no need for an informal inquiry. The court is requesting that the evaluation be done.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Agamemno, Destiny. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. And yourself?
Oh, I'm doing great.
That's good.
So I was just calling you because I wanted, everyone, please whisper. I wanted them to bring you out so you'll know what's going on with your case, so you won't be confused, like, what happened? Nobody
Yes,
called me.
ma'am.
And I know at the jail, they wake you all up super early to
They
get here.
really do.
Like, what time do they wake you all up?
At 5 in the morning.
Okay. All right. So we're still waiting for the results of your evaluation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a 45-day reset, but if the evaluation comes back sooner, then we'll have you here sooner.
Okay.
All right.
Alrighty, that's fine.
Do you have any questions about anything?
How long does it take more or less for the eval?
Well, you should be on the list now because we had requested it in May. So it should be fairly quickly, and I'll tell them to expedite it.
Yes, ma'am. And also for a bond motion, how do I go about that?
Oh, your attorney will do that, and it can be filed with Judge Nahara. So once you file that, just let Ms. Ferguson know, and that judge will hear it, okay?
Awesome. Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
All right, let me give you a date, okay? Ms. Ferguson, can I have 45 days on Destiny Agamemno? And it's for the evaluation. All right, so we're putting August 1st. I know that seems like a long way away, but as I said, if we get it sooner, we'll have you sooner than that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, state.
Violated condition number one on or about the twenty-third day of March two thousand twenty-three in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Amanda Armageddon. Okay, I can't say that. Committed the offense of theft, 2,500 to 30,000 vehicle in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections? To the
No.
waivers?
What we're asking.
No, any objections to the waivers?
No.
All right, Ms. Argamedo, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number one, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number one?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court would find violation of condition number one true. Is there an agreement?
No, there is not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, there was an agreement in that they were going to TIC and dismiss the new charge.
That is correct.
She is requesting the court to allow her to stay on probation. Whoops, I can't get around here.
Mhm.
With 4 documents, their certificates of classes she attended while she's been in the jail.
Any objections to the court reviewing this?
No, Your Honor. The state has reviewed those already.
As we said earlier, Your Honor, this young lady had been evaluated for competency, was found competent. She wants to stay on probation. And what she would like to do is have you put her in outpatient treatment. At the same time, I've advised her that if you do keep her on probation, that there is a high probability that there would be residential drug treatment. As you can see, she's taken some anger management classes, and the AA classes. And I don't understand what the other one, it looks like it's a dignity class for women. And I don't know what the basis for that was.
All right, probation.
Probation recommendation is to revoke due to the new felony offense, and she absconded with non-compliance.
All right, Ms. Agameda, is there anything you wish to say?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
My name is Amanda Argamedo, and I would like to have a second chance on probation. I will attend the classes. I will go to everything. I was still on my drug problems like then, but I'm completely done with it. The thought of drugs, like I do not even want to think of it. Makes me want to puke. Like just thinking back and hearing my kid's voice, my daughter's voice. My kid's dad is willing on getting back with me, getting the family back together, and I just really want to go back to that.
How old are your children?
3 and 4, ma'am.
All right, and who's taking care of them?
Their father.
All right, so were your parental rights terminated?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So you just dropped them off with the father?
I decided to leave when I was on drugs, and yes, I was really bad on them, but I did stop.
All right. So what have you done on probation other than pick up new cases?
I did not attend because I was just.
No, I mean, have you done anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. All right, is there anything else from either side? Any other questions?
Not from the state, Your Honor.
All right, you have a question?
Why should the judge believe that you're going to do what you have said you're going to do and that you didn't do last time?
Because I'm really committed to it. I'm honestly, and I apologize for not going to my probation and everything. Like, I apologize. I'm really committed to completing it this time.
And why did the previous attorney have you evaluated for competency?
We didn't talk about the case, right? And
Okay. And you're not on any medication now in the jail?
no, sir.
Okay. No other questions, Your Honor?
All right, any questions from the state?
No, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting? I know you're requesting revocation. The court is going to grant the motion. The court is going to find you guilty, and the court will not grant you community supervision. State, how much time are you asking for?
The state was requesting 12 months in the state jail facility, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, she currently has 116 days in Bear County Jail on this case, and we're asking the court to grant her a request for 6-month sentence.
All right, if you want, at the state jail facility, they do have a therapeutic community, and that does not increase the time that you have been in custody. If I were to sentence you to 6 months or 12 months or 18 months, that will still be your sentence. And therapeutic community is just there to help you. Would you like that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Ask that you be placed in the therapeutic community. You're still going to have to request it. Do you understand?
Yes.
Give you credit for any time served. Going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegation in the motion, not the fact that you were on community supervision. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. So, Ms. Argumeta, I always review everything. And when you were placed on deferred adjudication, and here there were several cases that were taken in consideration. And so the only thing that you've done since you were on probation with me was pick up another theft case, and you're on probation for unauthorized use. You're going to have to make a decision on what you want to do with the rest of your life.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do not, when you get out, go running to be with your children, because at this point in stage, you haven't been a mother to them, and you can't go running on their doorstep, creating chaos and upheaval. If you get your life together, you can probably slowly enter their life. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Oh, that's okay. Sometimes that last question is confusing to everyone, so I'll ask it again. All right, you understand all the rights I've just explained to you?
Oh, yes.
All right, did you understand by entering a plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
No. I didn't know.
All right.
Remember, we talked about how you have the right to a jury trial, the right to confront and cross-examine witnesses, and the right to remain
Oh,
silent.
yes.
And
yes.
remember that I said that in pleading no contest, you're going to be giving up those rights, right?
Yes.
So the judge is asking if you understand that you're giving up those rights.
Oh,
All right, do you understand that you're giving up those rights?
yes.
Okay, so I'm going to take it one at a time, okay? You understand you have the right not to testify. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand because you're in a plea bargain agreement, you can testify. You can be forced to testify. Do you understand that? You have to
Yes.
answer.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you understand that in cases such as this, the state would have to call witnesses to prove their case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so because you're in a plea, the state's not going to call any witnesses. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, if the state were to call witnesses, your attorney would get a chance to ask questions of them. You understand that?
Yes.
So because you're in a plea, what that means is the state is not going to call any witnesses and your attorney is not going to get a chance to ask them questions. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the other thing you have a right to is you have a right to have a jury trial. So because this is a felony case, there would be 12 jurors on your case and the state would have to present their evidence and a jury would decide whether or not you were guilty or not guilty. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so because you're entering a plea bargain agreement, you understand you're not going to have a jury trial. Do you understand that?
Ma'am.
And you understand that your attorney is not going to question anybody. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that you may have to testify. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, so do you want to continue with this plea or do you want a jury trial?
What's the agreement that we have? You remember what that agreement?
Do you want to
is?
talk to her some more, counsel?
Sure, Judge.
All right, so I'll let you all discuss some more. To confer with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, do you believe she understands the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
All right, so Ms. Varela, but I have to make sure on the record that you understand, okay?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to go through it again. We'll we'll just start from this point, all right?
Okay.
So you do understand that your attorney has the opportunity to question witnesses.
Yes,
That.
yes,
So did you intend to enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
no,
Okay.
Maybe just ask her.
All
I
right.
mean, yes,
All
Maybe
right.
just
I'm
ask.
sorry.
No. So here's the thing. There's no need to be nervous. There's not going to be a trap door that opens up for you. How old are you?
19,
All right. How far did you go in school?
11.
Okay. So do you want a jury trial? Do you want to go to a jury trial where 12 people would sit in the box? It wouldn't be the people you see in the box now. It will be just 12 people who don't know anything about your case. The state would call witnesses. And your attorney would have a chance to question those witnesses. Do you want a jury trial?
No, no, ma'am.
Do you want to enter into this plea?
Yes,
All right. Do both parties, the state and defense, do you believe that she understands the rights that she's giving up, defense?
Yes, Judge, and I will say that she was evaluated and she was found competent.
All right. State, do you have any objections with going forward?
No, Your Honor, I believe in Mr. Hunter has spoken to his client. I haven't spoken to her personally, but I believe that he has gone over with the plea bargain and also he's gone over everything with.
Okay,
I'm
thank
good.
you. All right. Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine? Did you understand?
yes,
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she,
Plan is to take care of business on probation, put this behind her. She's got children who are being taken care of by their grandmother right now. So her plan is to stay with them and like I said, knock this out and put it behind her.
all right. So what drugs have you used in the past?
marijuana.
Okay.
And that's it.
I don't think marijuana makes you steal a fire truck. So
Oh,
is there anything else?
ice,
Okay. So how often were you using ice?
2 weeks.
Okay. Is there anything, and the reason why I'm asking you these questions is because I'm going to follow your agreement, but I'm trying to figure out what conditions to give you so you'll be successful, okay? So there's ice, marijuana, anything else other than those two?
No, that's it. Oh, Xanax.
Xanax? All right. Anything else?
No, that's it.
All right, so the children that your grandmother, well, is your grandmother the person who's taking care of the children, your grandmother? How old are they?
There's 2 and 4.
And are you currently expecting or no?
No,
Okay, 2 and 4. All right, and was Child Protective Services involved or did your grandmother just step up to take care of the 2 children?
yes, my grandma stepped up.
Okay. All right, and are you going to be living with your grandmother?
Yes, ma'am.
And does your grandmother want you there?
Yes.
Who's the grandmother?
She's at home.
No, she's right there. All right, could the grandmother?
Mom,
Sure. And she is a Spanish speaking judge,
Do you speak Spanish?
a little bit.
Have an interpreter coming.
All right. Well, I just want to know if she's okay with her living with her.
¿Tiene problemas con Vanessa a vivir contigo?
Thank you.
Es el plan, ¿verdad? Para Vanessa a vivir contigo, ¿verdad? So, yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you, George. And thank you. All right.
Gracias.
Gracias. De nada. That's all I know.
Well done.
All right. Thank you. All right. Come back up.
Oh, and that was her mother, not her grandmother.
So it's the grandmother to the children.
Children's grandmother.
Okay. All right. This is what I'm going to do. There's going to be a $1,500 fine that will be probated. 2 years. Well, I'm going to do 3 years deferred adjudication Counsel, if she completes everything, you can always come back and ask for her to be terminated early.
Yes, Your Honor.
There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once she completes those, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. So what do you want to do with the rest of your life? What are your hopes, your dreams? What's your dream job?
Working at fast food
Okay.
as manager.
Oh, awesome. Well, that can be done. So what are you going to be doing to make sure that happens?
Do my probation
Okay.
and attend my parenting classes.
All right. So I'm gonna ask that you get employment too, okay?
Yes.
So if you want to be the manager of a fast food place, and who knows, eventually own a fast food place, that means that you've got to apply to those places, because when you apply, maybe they will, but sometimes they don't. You don't come in as manager. You got to start at the bottom level, then work your way up, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's no harm in that. I used to work at service merchandise. It doesn't exist anymore, but I've had probably a lot of jobs, you could think of. I used to rake yards. I don't think they rake anymore. They use the blower now. People are wimps. You need to get out there with the rake in the hot sun. So I used to do that, back it up. So whatever your dreams are, that's your dream and it's a good one. And maybe you can help McDonald's. Their fries don't taste the same anymore. All right, I'm going to take in consideration County Court cause number 6-96657. I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. I'm going to do that while she's in custody. Counsel, if you call them and tell them to expedite it, they'll expedite it and they'll probably be able to see her this week.
Awesome, Judge.
Yes, I'm putting more work for you. So we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. And the reason why I'm doing that, because they'll help you with your drug issues and also if there's any type of mental health issues, because I don't want to send her out into the world and then we're right back here. Announce for the record, state, defense,
Robert Gallo for the defendant.
and are you Ms. Varela?
Yes.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes. On or about the 24th day of July 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Vanessa Margarita Varela did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of felony drug court, and that the defendant failed to attend her scheduled treatment appointment in violation of condition number 3.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State, any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Defense, what are you requesting?
Judge, we requested to deny the MTR, continue her on her deferred. The original recommendation on probation documents was moral recognition therapy with an explanation as to why they think that might be beneficial and outpatient treatment.
All right, is there anything you wish to say? If you do, I'll place you under oath. State will have a chance to question you. All right. Is there anything else from either side?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
Just briefly, I just wanted to bring to your attention, safety has been held in advance previously, so I wanted to make you aware.
All right, thank you. All right, the court is finding you guilty. The court is going to grant the motion. The court will revoke. State is requesting 12 months. Defense?
We will request a minimum or give her credit for time served, Judge, and close the case out.
All right.
I'm not sure what the day she has, but
All right, what have you done since you've been on probation? Have you done anything and completed anything successfully? Okay. Probation, has she done anything or completed any programs? How old are you?
I'm 20.
Okay.
Judge did appear, she completed her parenting class.
Okay. All right, the court is going to grant the motion. The state is asking for 12 months.
Judge, we're not opposed. Apparently she's got almost 600 days credit.
And here's the thing, I'm not inclined to give you 12 months because the only thing you've done since you've been on probation is complete parenting. That's it. You haven't done anything. And there's not a reason why I should sentence you to the low end because you haven't completed anything. It's as though you were not on probation. You didn't follow through with felony drug court, and that's an intensive program, yes, but they were there to help you. You were not taking care of your child because your parents were doing that. That was the only thing you had to do on your plate. You were living with your parents. I know they were not charging you rent because from the last hearing we had, they were not charging you anything to stay there. The only thing they wanted to help you do is maintain your sobriety, and you have not done any of it. You understand? So you're being revoked because violation of condition number 41 is true. And with regards to sentencing, I consider everything that is before me, and you haven't really done anything. You understand? So the court is finding you guilty. The court will revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 18 months in the state jail facility. Court will give you credit for any time served. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendants' Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, this was not a plea bargain agreement. You do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you were on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. I know you probably think your life is over because you're going to do time. Your life is not over. You still have a chance to improve yourself and to do better. If you would like, I could request that you be placed in the therapeutic community. I don't have any jurisdiction to force them to place you in the program, but it's a program that can help you and help rehabilitate you. So hopefully you won't use again. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but it's just something to help you. Would you like that?
Yes.
All right. And so you'll still have to request it, but I'll make sure that it's in the order that I'm requesting the therapeutic community for you. When you're released, if you have drug issues and you feel as though you can't find a place on your own, if I'm still here, you can come back to court. I'll pick up the phone and call somebody to take you in. Okay? All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.